Welcome, welcome. As said in the starter deck 9 and 10 video, BT8 is finally here. And with it we get mostly Adventure 02 stuff, but also new Pulsemon lines from the Vital Bracelet, because they obviously have to push it, although it's not available outside of Japan without, getting the app from other sources. But yeah. And then, what's most important, we have baby Gamamon in this set. I think it's Gamamon and Hero that can be pulled here, which makes them the first Ghost Game cards available. Yeah. As usual, it's 112 cards, 44 commons, 30 uncommons, 26 rares, 10 super rares, and 2 secret rares. We also have 2 box promotion packs, I think. Oh yeah, 1 alternative art Tamer card and 2 promo cards. So let's see what we get here. I'm super excited because I really love the armor evolution, what we have in here. And there are really cool designs in general. So the Tamer card we get is, I think the most important one, Davis and Ken, which is an excellent addition for the Ultimate Dragon starter deck. And then we have the promo pack, with Aero Vidramon 0 and Alphas Vidramon 0. I'm happy that they put them in here, because this way I don't have to buy them for the collection. And back in you go. Okay. I'm not gonna split the video this time. I still stand by what I said in my very first video, that watching a video that is 40 minutes long or whatever is not exactly inviting, at least for me personally. But having to, click at 3 other videos to get the full thing is also annoying. So yeah, I'm just gonna not do this anymore. But I still kind of shuffle the booster packs and divide them into 4 packs of 6, because I need to know how much is left. And if I wouldn't do this, I would totally lose count, because I'm a very dumb person, as you probably have noticed. Okay. And I'm incredibly bad at math. So, do I have 6 everywhere? Yes. Okay, now I can really start. think no one really cares for the secret rares in this set, which are Creepymon and Imperialdramon Paladin mode. I guess Paladin is somewhat interesting for Imperialdramon tribe decks, but Creepymon is like, no one cares about him. I've seen him sell for 8 euros, which is super low for a secret rare card. And everyone is like Chimeramon, Magnamon. So let's see. I think the most anticipated alternative art from this set for me personally would be a Funnymon Fall Down mode. So let's see if I get it. We start with Thundermon. I think it's actually Thunderballmon or Thunderboltmon, or at least it was in the German dub. Green Pulsemon, because apparently the TCG can't print a set without Pulsemon. Dual color Engemon, blue and yellow, which makes sense because there are, well, both lines in yellow and blue from older sets. Senbon Dokkan, Banchu Mamemon special attack, Gazimon, Captain Hookmon. If you watch Digimon Ghost Game, the episode where Captain Hookmon debuted was one of the weirdest and most uncomfortable ones so far. Alekmon, Hawkmon, Hyarimon, Armadillomon, Black Agumon, which can digivolve from black and red, and Yoli. Then we have Pistmon, which is one of the possible evolutions for Pulsemon, if I remember correctly. Skullmeramon, Scorpiomon, Blue Greymon, pretty cool design, also can digivolve from red and black. Top Gun, Lightning Blade, oh I love Raidramon, Mist Memory Boost, Kyomon, Submarimon with the new Armor Purge effect, which I find pretty cool, to be honest. As I said, I love the armor stuff. And it can digivolve from 2 from Armadillomon, which is a pretty cool addition and detail. Cherubimon, and Digimon, also with the Armor Purge and 2 from Armadillomon. Ooh! And the first super rare is Oriomon. I love this whole line so much. I mean, it's pretty hard to do artworks of them because they are so detailed and stuff, but they look amazing. Oh, true, and since the whole line is there, if I remember correctly, Ryudamon has an alternative art card that is pretty neat too. Lightning Blade, Thunderballmon, Snow Agumon, Kazimon, Catch Mamemon. I will not comment on this. Karatenmon, Pulsemon, Demi-Miramon, Innocent Blizzard, and here we have Marsmon, Gammamon. He's the cutest thing ever. I think it's the first time I actually loved the partner Digimon of the main protagonist of a Digimon anime. Because Gammamon is like the most precious thing in existence. And Sukiaomon. That's already 2 super rare cards in 3 packs. Interesting. Okay, another Angemon. Fire Rocket. Mushroomon. Senbon Dokkan. Elecmon. Trimogemon. Patamon. Oh, Shurimon. He's like my favorite armor Digivolution from the 3, 6, 8, 9. From the 9 we actually get in the anime. Just a cool ninja boy. Then we have Vmon. Another Kyomon. Ryudamon. And Creepymon. Okay. I have 3 alternative art and or secret rare pulls left. And I really don't need them to be more Creepymon. Like, 1 is okay. I don't care, I don't need more. I don't even know if this is... Is this the normal art? I think it's the normal art. But I really don't want to find out if it's not. Then we have Kyukimon, Aquilamon, Spinomon, Disaster Blaster, Frozomon, the episode of Ghost Game where this thing had its anime debut was, from my point of view, one of the best episodes from the show so far. But I hated the ending of the episode because, yeah, if you watch the show, you know what I mean. If not, I'm not going to spoil anything. Then we have Fangmon, Another Greymon, Cyclonemon, Rasenmon Fury Mode, I don't really like this card because I don't know what how I don't know about you, but like I can't really comprehend this art. Like, where is what part of its body? Like, if there are some cards in this game that are just so confusing, and this is definitely one of them. But yeah, oops. Then we have Terriermon. Holzmon. Oh, I really like this too. And Black Wargreymon. Dual color. Can evolve from black and red. Oops. I feel like these first 6 packs already have the bulk of super rare plus cards. Okay. We continue with Hookmon, Disaster Blaster, Pulsemon, Scorpiomon, Ginryumon, the champion form of Ryudamon, another Top Gun, Elecmon, Pandemonium Flame, Terriermon, TK, Yukio Oikawa, and Imperialdramon Fighter Mode. Seriously, this was like this Tsukiyaomon, Oriumon, 4 out of 7 super rares, and the secret rare within the first 6 packs. I'm really bad at shuffling, I guess. Let's continue. Ooh. And here's the best boy. Here's Yaoryumon. I really want a version of this one as a tattoo one day, because it just looks so amazing. Another Pistmon, Snow Agumon, Ultimate Brachiomon. I don't know about you, but these things look like his front feet, and yeah, this is, I don't know, Soulmon, Kudomon, Angemon, Pandemonium Flame, Terriermon, and another TK, Shakumon, DNA Digivolution, Dual Color, and Magnamon, which is the next super rare. And it's the normal art, but I really like them both, so that's cool. Yellow. Oops. Gazimon, Elekmon, Patamon, Greymon, Skalsatamon, Lightning Blade, Scorpiomon, Bibimon, Kari. I won't try to pronounce this, but it's the special attack of Oriomon, Dark Gaia Force. Pretty nice and nasty card. Ooh. Okay. This is the alternative art Blackrock Greymon, which also means our special pulls for this display are done. We have the secret rare and the alternative art card. Let's continue. Psychmon, Kokobamon, Surfymon, Ekakimon, Master Tyrannomon. Nice addition for Tyrannomon tribal decks. Armor texture. Battle Gammamon, the most boring of its evolutions, like of Gammamon's evolutions, but the only one that is available in English so far. Plasma Shot, Freemon, Kogamon, another Holzmon, and Metal Greymon. Oh yeah, that's also the dark version. Another Fengmon, Senbon Dokkan, Betsumon, it's like a train wreck. You can't not look at this card. It's so bad. Betsumon's design is no. Master Tyrannomon, Ekakimon, Psychmon, Armor Texture, Innocence Blizzard, Black Gatomon, Dual Color, Crimson Blaze, Digimon, and another Yukio. Spinomon, my baby, Mushroomon, Patamon, Lightning Blade, Karatenmon, Samadhi Santi, Shivamon's special attack, Hyarimon, Armadillomon, Miotismon, and Digimon Emperor. Then we have another Surfymon, Kokuvamon, Skullsatamon, Fire Rocket, Ginryomon. I think that's Alumon in the back, but I'm not really sure. Examon, a possible champion evolution of Pulsemon, Ankylomon, Plasma Shot, Kogamon, Guimon, Baby Gammamon, Cody, and Yuji Musia. Okay, we are halfway through. I lost count of the super rares. I think there should only be 2 or 3 more. So let's see, another Examon, Candlemon. That's actually a pretty cute design. Oh, he does the hand thing. Frozomon, Fangmon, Senbon Dokkan, Ankylomon, Fire Rocket, Vmon, Demimeramon, Cyclonemon, Flamedramon. I love this design so much. Oops. And Ryodamon. I think I haven't pulled Ragemamon so far. Yeah, I didn't. So Digimon, Submarimon, Shurimon, Holzmon, Flamedramon, Magnamon. Yeah, definitely. So Raidramon and Rapidmon Gold are the only ones missing from the Armor Squad. We have Candlemon, Captain Hookmon, Skullmeramon, Scorpiomon, Hysariumon, Pistmon, TK, another Hawkmon, Skull Knightmon Cavalier Mode, Digimon Emperor, oh, and Shivamon. Very nasty card for green decks. I like it. They really need to officially release the Vital Bracelet and the Digivice V internationally, though. Like, it's so annoying that we don't get anything cool. Skullsatamon, Greymon, Aquilamon, Soulmon, Captain Hookmon, Ultimate Brachiommon, Thunderboltmon, Oops. Devimon. Samadhi Santi. Fremon. Willis. And Frostwellgrimon. Oh, I really like this design because most birds in Digimon are somehow mechanical, and Frostwellgrimon is just a pretty peacock. It really could do without the, I don't remember the English name, but you know what I mean, the wedding thing. But yeah, the design is super pretty. Fangmon, Dreamogemon, Catchmamemon, Betelgammamon, Candlemon, Patamon, Pandemonium Flame, Guimon, Kari, Azulongmon, and Lightramon. I hate that they rename everything in every piece of media. So it's Lightramon, Lightramon. Anyway, love him. Karatenmon, Spinomon, Disaster Blaster, Hisiaromon, Hookmon, Kokuamon, oops, Psychmon, Oriomon Special Attack, Bibimon, Dinohumon, Gigadeath, and Sylphimon. Also, obviously, with the DNA Digivolution mechanic. Which obviously makes sense in a 0-2 set. Surfimon, Armor Texture, Ekakemon, Master Tyrannomon, Examon, Ultimate Brachiomon, Soulmon, Submarimon, Black Gatomon, Namakemon, I think this is also a possible evolution of Pulsemon. But I'm honestly not sure at this point. Like, maybe you get him out of Pulsemon if you don't do sports or anything. Then Miotismon and Ophanimon. Fall down mode. Not the alternative art version, but still pretty nice. And I love this detail with the reflection of the normal Ophanimon in its side. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, on to the last 6 packs. Betelgammamon, Ankylomon, Mist Memory Boost, Genryomon, Hookmon, Top Gun, Skullsatamon, Cherubimon, Devimon, Crimson Blaze, oh, another Dark Gaia Force, and Climbmon, which is also a possible ultimate of Pulsemon. Kakimon, Angemon, Top Gun, Skullsatamon, Scorpiomon, Spinomon, Candlemon, Innocence Blizzard, Black Gatomon, Crimson Blaze, oh, Flame Hellside, damn, look at this attack. She looks completely insane, which is fitting for her description, which is like something like she gave up on humanity or Digimon and became evil and kind of became an avenger or something like that. Kind of sad, but also pretty sick. She needs therapy, like all of us. Kyukimon, Angemon, Pistmon, Skullmiramon, Catchmamimon, Mist Memory Boost, Gazimon, Namakemon, Rasenmon Fury Mode, Skull Knightmon Cavalier Mode, another Shakumon, and another Flame Hellside. I'm actually pretty sure that we have exhausted super rare pulls, so there are only rares left. And we have Soulmon, Ultimate Brachiomon, Snow Agumon, Kyukimon, Frozomon, Aquidamon, Mushroomon, Marsmon, Dinohuman, Shurimon, Gammamon, and Davis and Ken standard art. Honestly, who even cares about the Tamer art arts? They are basically the same and both versions are kind of boring. But I guess that's natural when you only use the anime art. Ginryomon, Disaster Blaster, Frozomon, Thunderboltmon, Skullmiramon, Pulsemon, Hookmon, Devimon, Samadhi Santi, Fremon, oh, Hero, the first hero actually, Bancho-Mamemon, and the final pack, Snow Agumon, Dream Mogemon, Surfymon, Kokuvamon, Psychmon, Master Tyrannomon, Armor Texture, Bibimon, Kari, discard, oh, a second hero, and Azulongmon. Okay, the first display is done. I'm not mad about the pulls. It could have been worse, like 2 Creepymon or alternative art Armadillomon or something like that. So yeah, this was nice. See you in the next video.